Welcome to my channel. If you learn from this video, then like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to perform binary subtraction using 2's complement. Last time we saw how to perform binary subtraction using 1's complement. If you haven't watched it yet, then you can watch it. The link is given below in description box. Let's once again revise what is minuend, subtrahend and difference. So suppose we have two numbers, that is 9 minus 4, the result is 5. Now can you tell me what is minuend and what is subtrahend? Okay, I will tell you. This 9 is the minuend and this 4 is called as subtrahend. So the second number is the subtrahend and the first one is minuend, and this the result what we get is called as difference. Okay, so remember, subtrahend is the second number in a subtraction and it is subtracted from minuend to get the difference. So this is all you have to remember, that is what is minuend, subtrahend. These key words are used while understanding 1's complement and 2's complement subtraction. Okay, so suppose we have an example, that is we have to subtract 4 from 9, that is 9 minus 4. As you can see, the second number is smaller than first, so it is obvious that the result will be positive. So first we will see what is 9's binary equivalent. We will get 1 0 0 1 4 0 1 0 0. Our first step is to find 2's complement of the subtrahend. Here subtrahend is 4, that is this is the second number after subtraction. So 4's binary equivalent we got as 0 1 0 0. Now how to find 2's complement? I have taught you in the video where we saw how to find 1's complement and 2's complement of a number. You can watch that video. Okay, link is given in description box. So first, to find 2's complement, what we do is find 1's complement. Now for 1's complement we just invert 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So we will get 1 0 1 1, right? And to find 2's complement, what we do is add 1, that is 1 0 1 1 plus 1. What we will get? 1 plus 1 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry over 1, then 1 0 plus 1 1 and 1, that is 1 1 0 0. You can see how to perform binary addition. Link is given in description box. Okay, so we got 2's complement of the subtrahend, that is 1 1 0 0. Now next step is add with minuend. So what we have to do, just add it with the minuend, that is 1 0 0 1 plus 1 1 0 0. So what we will get? 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 again 1, and 1 plus 1 0, carry over 1. So as you can see, we got carry 1. In binary subtraction using 1's complement, what we used to do? We used to add the carry to the result so that we will get the answer in its correct form. But when we perform binary subtraction using 2's complement, we don't have to add carry. We just have to ignore the carry if the carry is 1 and our result is correct and it is in positive form. So the answer of 1 0 0 1 minus 0 1 0 0 will be equal to 0 1 0 1, right? As we know, this is 9 minus 4 and 0 1 0 1's decimal equivalent is 5. So we got the correct answer, that is 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now let's take another example. Suppose we have 4 minus 9, that is my second number is greater than first one. So it is obvious the result is negative. So again 4's binary equivalent was 0 1 0 0, 9's binary equivalent was 1 0 0 1. Step 1, to find 2's complement of the subtrahend. Now the subtrahend is 9, so we will find its 2 complement. So 9's binary equivalent was 1 0 0 1. First step, find 1's complement. 1's complement will be 0 1 1 0. See, I am inverting 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. And now we have to find 2's complement. How to do it? By adding 1, that is 0 1 1 0, right? 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 1. What we will get? 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, sorry, 1 again as it is 1, 0. So what we got? 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is the 2's complement of 9. Next step, add with minuend. So what we will do? Add it. 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 1. So what we will get? 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry over 1, and again we will get 1. There is no carry. So whatever the answer we got is in 2's complement form, we have to again take 2 complement, and the result is negative. Whenever there is no carry, the result is negative and you have to take its 2's complement. So 1, 0, 1, 1. First we will find its 1 complement. We will get 0, 1, 0, 0, and then what we have to do? Find 2's complement. That can be achieved by adding 1, that is 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 1. We will get 1, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, right? So this is the correct answer. But when you write in decimal, what we will write is, so what we got? 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1. Now this is 4 minus 9 is equal to 5. But this time you will write negative sign because there is no carry. So your answer is result is negative, so add the negative sign. So this is how you find result of difference of binary subtraction when the second number is greater than first one. That is, you can use binary subtraction using 1's complement or using 2's complement. It is completely your choice. You will get same answer using both the methods. Let's revise what we did to perform binary subtraction using 2's complement. So first we found 2's complement of the subtrahend by first taking 1's complement and then adding 1 to it. Then added it with the minuend. Whatever the result we got in step 1 was added with the minuend. And when the result was formed, we checked whether the carry was formed or not. If the carry bit was 1, the result was in correct form. We don't have to do anything. There are no changes and the result was positive. And if there is no carry or 0 carry, then the answer was in 2's form and it is required to find 2's complement of the result, and the result was negative. So this is how we perform subtraction using 2's complement. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.